Yo, this is the boy Techno Tambo and I'm rocking. You see guys, we just experienced our first rains this year. This is 2024 and this is October 27th. Hey, what's the day today? Oh, the day today is Monday and we celebrated our independence on Thursday, meaning that Friday was 25, meaning Saturday was 26 and Sunday was 27. So today is 28. It's Monday. Okay, so we're celebrating our first rains right here in Zambia. Okay, so I'm right in the hood. Check it out. Yo, I'm in the hood. I am in the hood. Okay guys, sorry about the interruption. I had an issue, so I had to fix it up with this camera. So like I was saying, we are celebrating our first rains, so I just hope that it's gonna rain like the way it rained in the northern part of Africa. You know, my only worry guys, my worry is that see that? That's my only worry. Garbage. Because each time we have rain, we also have cholera. We normally get hit by cholera outbreak. You see what I mean? So, what are we going to do? You know what I'm saying? I just hope we're going to do something about it. We are still going to get hit. Man, it's kind of like, I don't know why these loudspeaker guys, I mean, look at these guys who like speaking with loudspeakers. I wish they could tone down, you know what I'm saying? Because they make so much noise. It's like you can't speak to anyone else. You see what I'm saying? You can't speak to anyone else because of the loudspeaker noise. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. So guys, I'm in the hood. This is Lusaka City, and we're just going on our own lives, doing our own thing. We don't bother nobody. We have our Jesus peace. You see, when you've got your Jesus peace, you just thank Jesus for your day. So I'm thanking Jesus for my day. Because the moment I get up in the morning, the first thing that I do is to say thanks to God. Yahweh Elohim, in the name of Jesus. I know you guys from other religions, you've got your own way of thanking God. But the bottom line is that we all thank God. The one who created us, the one who created this earth. You get what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. So, whoa, can I pass here? Can't pass here. It rained, man. Just one night of rain. produced a lot of water, man. So if you're a farmer, guys, and you haven't started planting, don't blame the rain if it decides to go. So this time, plant. Get busy. You see what I'm saying? Get busy. Alright, I can see the council is busy there. Can you see? Right behind me. Yeah, picking up the garbage. See what I'm saying? Which is a good thing. So the council is working. Alright, kudos to the council. So guys, it's safe to say that it rains cats and dogs. You know what I'm saying? That's how we used to say it in the United Kingdom. We used to say it rains cats and dogs. I don't know if that slogan is still there. So comment down below, guys. If you live in the UK, are you still using the term it rains cats and dogs? Alright. Because that's what we used to say when it rains a lot. Alright. Wow. Okay guys, if you have never seen the other side of Lusaka, this is the other side. Maybe you just see when I show you where the rich people live. But this is where the everyday people operate. Someone like me, an everyday person. This is where I operate. I want to buy some banana. My brother, how much? How much? Hey, I'm just my brother. I'm not photographing. Yes. It's a lifestyle video. I want to give you business. I want to give you business. You don't want? This is something people don't understand. When you are doing business and someone wants to advertise your product for free, why not just advertise? You see what I'm saying? You see? Guys, is that a problem with education or is a problem with culture? How can you define such a problem? You see what I mean? Is that a problem with culture or it's a problem with education? I'm not going to conclude anything, guys. Write in the comment down below and tell me, when people act the way they've acted towards me, is that a problem with education or it's a problem with culture? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Oops. But all I can say is it's a live video. So if you want to know the everyday lifestyle of Zambians, you've come to the right place. You see what I'm saying? You see, once in a while it's good for me to take walks like this. You see what I'm saying? So that I show you guys how we live. You see what I'm saying? See guys, if I found someone making a YouTube video, I'll be happy. You see what I mean? I don't understand why some people get sad. You see your friend is hooking up a YouTube video and all of a sudden you just become sad. Sad of what, man? I mean, if you are sad, then you should be dealing with your sadness. Meaning that you should be seeking happiness. When you're seeking happiness, you're seeking love, you're seeking freedom. You see what I'm saying? So, if you are seeking love and freedom, you don't start taking it out on other people. That is not going to bring you love, it's not going to bring you freedom. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So you see guys, this is a marketplace. There's a lot of trade activity taking place here. Okay? The marketplace with a lot of trade activity. Oh, by the way, it's called Comesa Market. Comesa meaning the common something of Southern Africa and blah blah blah. It's kind of like a place where traders congregate from all over Southern Africa. You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna find it's a very multilingual place. You're gonna find people speaking Swahili, habari yako, okay? Habari ya kazi. So I'm greeting you, asking you how you are. You see what I'm saying? And if you speak Swahili, guys, please answer me. Habari ya kazi. See what I'm saying? Guys, I still don't understand. I asked that guy how much he was selling bananas. I wanted to give him business. I wanted to bless him. And what does he do? He wants to he starts acting up, and I end up leaving. So he didn't make any sale. I mean, what type of business psychology is that? Can you make money when you think like that? No, you can't. It means you have a problem that you have to deal with. You see what I'm saying? Yo. Okay. So let's see if I'm going to get the exact same result if I go there to try and buy. Let me see what type of reaction I'm going to do. There's another guy selling bananas, so I want you to know whether Zambians are the same people or they are all individuals. My brother, this is how much? 20, 10, Okay. So as you can see, it's a very different reaction. My brother, can I pay by Airtel money? It's okay. It can go, huh? Okay. So my brother is happy to see me buy from him and to see me film what I'm buying. Okay? So this is 20 kwacha. They are very big bananas. Okay? Okay guys, so let me just pay by Airtel money and I'll come back to you. Okay. Okay, thank you very, very much. Okay. Okay guys, so you see my brother is happy to save me. Despite me filming, I filmed what he's selling, he's happy. You understand? So when a person is happy, you will see it in the way they act. Like my brother who I've just bought from, he's a happy man. Even where he comes from, he's happy. The majority of Zambians are happy people. So if you find one who acts in a funny way, in a terrible way, in a pathetic way, that is not typical of us. We are nice people. That is what is typical of us. So guys, hit me with a comment, okay? And tag me out. What's Jenkins? Okay, for me, it's Avidazo.